Hello. Chur Whanau, how you's been? How you's been, Whanau? Jeez, feels like I haven't seen you in a long time. So like we always do, catch up with tea. And then we'll be doing some sanding today. So we gotta finish that before Sunday. Probably finish it maybe tomorrow or today. Chur Keho, kia ora brother. Generic game player, thanks man. You didn't have to sub brother, you can just watch for free, but thank you brother. Chur brother Otter, you in the chat group my bro? Good. Aloha from Hawaii, hey Gama boy, chur brother. Bro, we missed you. Oblivion's peak, chur brother. Oblivion. Which one was that one? Oh, that was before Skyrim, mate. Chur brother. Halverin, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Chur Kaya, kia ora, brother. Yeah, it was like 20 to 2 here in the afternoon. Hi from Japan. Hey, chur bro. How's it over there, brother? Always gives me a reason to smile. Oh, that's the main thing, brother. Just been chatting to Kobe. Oh, chur. Me. How do I subscribe twice? What? Just watch. Hey. Elders and Fingernail, thank you guys for subbing. If you're new to the channel, you can just watch. I'm just gonna drink my tea before we start. Chur ATK Grim. Oh no. Chur Silver. Then Quinn and Indian. Oh, I reckon Quinn's once again, Silver, thank you very much for the gifteds. You didn't have to, but I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. And whoever got those gifteds from Silver, say thank you. And Jiggly Wiggly J, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. True, brother Kobe. I think Quinn's setup would be much warmer than mine. I mean, it's just an open shed carport. That's why I gotta have a tea just to get warm. How's the Serenity? Subscribe for 4 months. Oh, thanks, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. All good. And Dick did. Cheer, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to as well, brother. Cheers, brother. Cheer, brother Silver. How you been? Watch the chick. Oh, man, we just started, but okay. Who's there from? Old man Kiki. Siki. Yeah, so I'm probably going to get a bit dirty today, sanding that. I'll try not to take too long. $3.45 in Denmark. Holy crap. What's in your tea? Water, milk, tea bag. Do you have any kids? Yep, Ragnarok, I do. Kids soon, November. What sweater are you wearing? It's just the hunting and fishing one. The Cuzzy bro. Check the Cuzzy. How are you been? Taiaha, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Much appreciated. What type of tea is it? Oh, I don't know. It's just tea. Cheer, brother Gooch. How you been, brother? Whoopee tea. Thanks for the sub. You didn't have to. Appreciate it though, brother. Yeah, so today we were supposed to go to Ruapihu for the weekend. So from Thursday to Sunday, just to go snowboarding or go and see the snow. Because my partner, Mrs. Broxh and baby haven't seen the snow yet. But because of the COVID situation here, we canned it. But it's all good, get to chill with you guys. Hey, Chiseling. Taiaha, thank you very much. Oh, yeah, Taiaha again with the sub. Appreciate it, brother. And the real Digby. Five more cases today. Yeah, Tom, I just watched the daily update. Yeah, okay. This is all done. I'll just spell it. Okay. So I'll chuck these on the check holder. Hello from Colombia. Ciao, brother. So today I'm going to just be doing a bit of scraping first on the Taiaha, and from there we'll start doing a few grips. So once again, yeah, I'll take my time with sanding. So I might do it over the next 2 days maybe, I don't know. See how it goes. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start with just to start this part here. So just gonna sort out the scraping first, and then we'll start going through the grits for sandpapering. Yeah. So here's what we use for scraping, just your normal ruler, steel ruler. It's one of the best tools to use anyway. NetGen, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. Yeah. This is all we're doing for now, is just getting rid of any other rasp marks that might be in the wood. Smoker Joe, tēnā koe e te parata. Ka te pai, bro. Ka te pēhea koe. I didn't know it snowed in New Zealand. No more you know. Bro, it snows quite a lot in the South Island, brother. Valley, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Yeah, so it's just about taking all the rasp marks off. So if you're into listening to what grit do you going to get to? Oh, I just go to 1200 each time. Hey, Chur Thunder. Yeah, bro, your mahi you did for the bro is mean. I had a feeling it was yours. Wasn't sure if it was or not. That's why I hit you up. Just because to be nosy. Gotta be nosy. Oh jeez, who's this? Bro, you didn't have to do that, bro. Oh jeez. Mr. Oh, Marvy Pants. True, brother, Marvy Pants. You didn't have to do that, brother. Well, thank you, my bro. So flaky ears. Any other tools you can use? You can use a flat chisel. So yeah, just go like that, flat chisel. You have like actual scrapers as well, but yeah, this is the cheaper option as opposed to getting an $80 chisel or a $90 curved bit of steel. Get a $10 ruler. See, look, that's all that's coming off now. So that's rata. call that hard flakes. And another method you can do to harden the wood too is you can use either pounamu or whalebone and just rub it along the taiaha to push all the grain back in on itself, just to make the weapon harder. Swifter Meister, Rainbow's Green. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to sub, but I appreciate it. Hey, kia ora mai. Good to be here, koe. Yeah, bro, I was fuzzy now that you're my ear system. So just trying to get all the rust marks out at the moment. Silent Greed and Dennis Apples. Cheer, brother, you just didn't have to sub, you could have watched for free. Who are you making this for? Dipper? Oh, I don't know the person exactly, but it's for 21st. Either next week or the week after. But I hope you're all doing well. Straight up. Can you do the apple split? I don't even have an apple, brother. Hope you're all good with what's going on, especially if you're living in Auckland too, but most of all around the world too. Tomahawk, thank you for the sub, brother. And hey, cheer, brother Charizard. Best streamer in the world? I don't know, brother. Hopes in the chat for Tim the Tap Man as well. Heard the man got his first Four Guys win. Cheer, Reject. RJ. RJ? Stupid. I heard rejects. Kei te hia kai komutu. What do you mean? Ew, Nipchin. For the horde, hope you were doing well. Hey, Nipchin. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Could have said that without, but still. But thank you, bro. That was fun to watch. Oh, true, did you watch it, brother? True, bro. Why only one message every 60 seconds? Oh, I don't think it's harming anyone, but thank you for teaching me a lot. Oh, Marvin Pants. As long as you enjoy it, that's all that matters. Hold on. Oh no. I just seen that icon on your name, Marvin. Did you start that hype train business? Broxh, how you doing, going? Oh, I'm all good, brother. Yeah, not going to the snow anymore. That's all good, though. Lucky when we cancelled, we got our money back. We deserve it, brother. No. How you doing? Cheer, awa. Kei te pihia koe. I'm doing good. Just try and get this done, eh? I think I might have to do the feathers too. I'm not sure yet. Turn that donation button on, bro. Yeah, when I'm ready. Probably be next month. I'll turn it on, but I won't tell you. That's the whole point of it. Hey, Donny. Cheer, brother. Can we get some happy birthdays in the chat for Donny, please? Okay. There we go. just making sure that it feels even right around the handle. Or flex it. My day is much better every time I watch you. Yeah, all good flexing, as long as you enjoy it, brother. That's the main thing. Chur kara. Happy birthday, Donnie. You turn them around. Just feeling it now. Yeah, it's all good. Making a sword. Nah, brother, my ancestors never used swords, brother. This is a Taiaha. Similar to English 3/4 staff. Difference being, not made to be thrown, brother. Oh crap. Hey, Mr. Chen Chen. How are you, brother? Much love, hope you're well. Righty party, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Happy birthday, Donnie. Versa what? Thank you very much, brother. How do you like your cocoa? Cocoa? Cocoa. Oh, finished. It's looking all good. Amazing, because the community is amazing. I mean, yeah, all them, eh? The community is how they want to be. Unlike the auto save where they all come meet, or the save point before they carry on with their day. There's a bird if I skip school to watch this. Yeah, bro. Just watch the best streamer out of NZ. Oh, I don't know if I'm the best streamer in NZ, but I'm just happy that you guys enjoy what I do, or even just come in and chill and talk. I know some viewers are honest and they go, oh, I didn't come to watch carving, I just came just to watch you. I can respect it. Servity. Servity. Did I say that right, brother? I want to give you a bear hug, mate. Cheers from LA. Oh, true, brother. Hey, true, Cody Thief. Thanks, brother. Oh, just carry on doing what we're doing. Carving. How long have I been carving for? Since I was 12, brother. At the moment, I'm like level 28. Yeah, go on now, Donnie. Everyone knows I'm not married. Broxh, what are you making? So we're just in the process of cleaning this Taiaha, brother. So we're just getting rid of all the rust marks. Professional carver. No. No. 110 degrees out here, but yeah, also thunderstorms. Oh, true, brother. Stevie Big Mix, thank you very much, brother. Donnie, eh? Twins. Okay. Nice one, Donnie. Happy birthday, Donnie. 32 today. Bet David too, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to, my bro. Was it alright to go some more to be Connor? Ah, you're winning, brother. That's all. There's no need to, brother. To beat Connor, bloody hell. Oculus. Cheers, brother, for subbing. You didn't have to. Much respect for that. Keep making masterpieces, brother. Oh, Valiant Blade. That's pretty much what you have to do, I would say. Oh. Silver. Thank you, Silver. You didn't have to though, brother. You're winning, bro. That's enough. But thank you, brother. If anyone received a gifted sub from Silver, hit him with a thank you. Someone's been playing with this. There's a bump in there. Too traumatised. Yeah, I'm having a good day, brother. Sorry I'm streaming so late, just got really busy. Had a midwife appointment today. They're pretty much every 2 weeks now. Now that we're in the third trimester. Oh god, who's this? Addicted. Brother, you didn't have to give those subs, brother. Holy crap, you. Jeez. Please no battles, please. Whanau, it's all good just to come and watch. Oh, come on. What are you guys doing? And Marvy Pants. Fuck's sake. That's enough, guys. You don't have to do that. But thank you, guys. Bloody hell. We might have to rasp here. Just want to make sure I get like the ends even. Free spell. Yeah, I seen that video of him and he got the chop. I was like, oh, that's pretty mean though. If that's who you're getting the chop from. I mean, I don't know Kenny Beats who he is, but I'm guessing that's a pretty big thing to be like denied from him for his competitions because you're that consistent with winning in that. I don't know much about beats and all that, but yeah, I would say that's a pretty big thing. Hey, look it, brother. Cheers for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to, or the gift. It's a mean accomplishment. Yeah, hard. Austin, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Appreciate it, my bros. Once again, brother, just don't forget, when subbing, brother, just think about yourself first. Look after yourself. It's more than all good just to come watch, brother. Next paycheck, I'm gonna donate $100. No, you're not. We're going to use their paycheck on bills and whatnot. Look after yourself. That's what you're going to do. Hey, there he is, the man himself. Chur Spell. Can we get a shout out for Spell, please? So if you want to check out someone who makes beats on Twitch, here's one man to go to. Making me miss home, born in Tauranga, living in Queensland. Okay, oh, we got a big comment, hold on guys. Thank you everyone who's Broxh for a great bro and human. Oops, yeah. Chur, brother. All good, bro. I think that's one of the things that I find satisfying is when people say this place helps them in any way, shape or form. That's something I consider a win. Holy hell, where did all these people come from? To the Larko. Dom Derek, thank you very much for the gifteds, brother. You didn't have to. Bob the bald head. Too, brother. Oh, and you gifted too. Did someone host us? Jeez, that's a big jump. So just getting rid of all the rust marks. Oh, there goes Bob again. Chur from Huntley. Hey, Dinakwe Wimble Chinks. Thanks for streaming. Oh, just happy to help. Black Cyclone. Don't ask the sub, brother. You're probably going to get timed out. Here, bro. Asking for a sub is a no-no. Didn't you read the rules, Gav? Bald head too, but are you even bald though? I feel like you're catfishing us. Man, the grain in this water's good. Kentos, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free. Much love, brother. Do you speak another language apart from English? Yeah, mine here in Pickle. Maori. Ooh, there's a bit of dip in here. Doing. What inside of beanie reveal? Okay, what you'll find in the beanie is the inside of a beanie. Zark Moore, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my boy. Cheer, brother, Nomad. How's the eyes in this been on Destiny? Full of good news. JCR Magical. Yeah, cheer for resubbing, brother. 3 months, my bro. Holy shit. Once again, brother, you didn't have to. You can just watch for free. But thank you very much, brother. And along with Carlo with the 100 bits too. Appreciate it, my brothers. More fees and sisters. So this is what we have to get rid of now. You speak Portuguese, bro? No, I only know 2 languages, brother. So I don't know if you can see it. But you can see kind of like rasp marks. Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can. But yeah, that's what we're trying to take out before we even start sanding. But I wanted to. Yeah, much appreciated, brother. You still didn't have to though. Okay. Just making sure I get it all. No, cheer, Marvin Pants. Cheer, bro. Yep, looking good. Wish I could take it more. I probably can, but yeah, I don't want to do it too far in because it'll start squashing the sharp parts. Boss dude, cheer brother for the sub, my bro. Appreciate it. You didn't have to though, but thanks. Oh, you boss dude. Do you play or follow any sports? I mainly just follow rugby now, brother. Don't really play sports anymore. I think the last thing I did close to sports was powerlifting. Okay, turn it on the side. Rat bastard. Cheer, brother. Interesting name, my bro. Thanks for the sub, brother. Along with Gator. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to, though. Okay. So you won't necessarily like scrape towards the edges where it's sharp. What you would do instead is sand it off. Favorite haka? All of them. I don't really have one that's above any other. Sure, Kiwi. Greetings from Texas. Say, Chur Whanau. How I do donate? You just watch, and it happens for you. Okay, there it is. Greetings from Germany. Guten Tag, brother. How are you? Guten Tag. So a lot of raspy marks on this side, so we finished the other side. Now I'll do this one. Hey, Chur Deputy, tēnā koe, brother. So we're going to do this side now. Just looking over it all. Making sure I haven't missed anything. Okay, here we go. Pulling an all-nighter with the whānau. Ah, ora, don't stay up too late, brother. Ke never moi. Old Greg. Any pointers on finding work in New Zealand from America? Studying coding. Geez, I wouldn't have a clue, eh? Because most of the work I've done has been pretty much within my culture. I've never actually had like a normal job, I would say. Trade me, I would say look on there for jobs maybe, brother. That might be your best bet, my bro. Learning coding, wow, that sounds hard. Tēnā koe, kānui, kei te pēhea koe, brother. Any tips for growing your hair? Don't cut it. What jobs have you done? Pretty much concerts. So cultural performances to like tourists. So there's like haka and all that. Done that most of my life. And carving, pretty much it. Looks like a metal ruler. Yeah, it is. When can you do a face reveal? Koha for the whānau, brother. Yeah, Bob, you didn't have to, bro. Time for a Red Bull. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it, more, bro. You didn't have to, though, brother. Kei te pai. So much love, brother. Thank you very much. Red Bull. What kind of Red Bull do you drink, Waffle? I can't do all nighters, eh? Would you do recommendations on your fans? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. So I would recommend if you feel like going to the toilet, go there. I'm so funny. What a kumara. Hey, Chur Whanau. I didn't even know he was in here. Vaccine. I can't really give you tips on making boomerangs because it's not a part of my culture. I mean, all I can say is take your time. And if it's to the shape you like, then go for it. Gonna pick up my humans. Oh, good. Yeah, true, bro. Face reveal. Say that. It's coming along nicely. Hey, cheer, Uncle Roadworks. Cheer, brother. Yeah, just setting it up for some sanding, my bro. Oh, I missed a lot of rust marks off the top here. Do you get blisters? No, you just get calluses and you leave them there. Don't try it if you've been warned. Is it that gross? Oh, I don't eat Doritos, but yeah. Really tough wood here, brother. So this is rata. It's a hardwood. Normally this is what we make our weapons out of. Yeah. I'm thinking of maybe rounding the tip or something. What do you guys reckon? Should I round it or leave it flat? I'll leave it up to you. How long have you been coding for? Were you an apprentice? Yeah, I mean everyone starts off as an apprentice, eh? But yeah, we got flats. Just how do you sing? Flat? No. Ah, the incognito. Oh, bro, you didn't have to do that. Holy crap, 20, brother. Jesus. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though. Like, at all. Ooh. Holy crap. So much love on your way. Ah, I feel it every day when I'm streaming for you guys, not gonna lie. Okay, what's up with our jams? Should go round, yeah. Oh, we'll see how it looks. I love when I see people say thank you. Yeah, me too, brother.
I really enjoy coming to
I like the voice is going to break the wood. Yeah, imagine.
It's dedicated to making that dream happen. The lecturing staff we have here at UC.
Gotta love ads, eh? Bloody hell.
People that are really well versed in their knowledge and skill sets.
Oh, I might make it slightly round, but flat as well. Maybe. What about an NZRU? Can't be New Plymouth. Our weather is horrible. Stay not to do, brother. Rotorua. Name the kid Sparkplug. Did someone name their kid? Planning to cover Patu on stream? I mean, I'm open to it. Probably will. No one's asked for one. And I'm not taking commissions yet until this is finished. I probably won't press the both words, yeah. What exactly are you making? Yeah, please. So I'm making a Taiaha, brother. Traditional Māori weapon, similar to the English 3/4 staff. And yeah, this is probably one of the most renowned weapons we have in our culture as well. You are the god. Nope. You are the best god. Nope. Would you show the whānau the hot springs and geysers? Rubber Dub Fresh. Yeah, I've already done it, brother, on my VOD. Where I took them to where I used to learn carving, or where I went to upskill at Te Puya. I can do it again there, I don't mind. I have an old one already. Okay, all good. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Surego. You're just a decent human. Oh, just a human. Little. The wood in Kurego. Thank you very much. What should I name my cat? Niru. Hey. I'm no good with naming animals. Crazy Idiot G. Too, brother. Well, some interesting name there, brother. Okay. Let's turn this bugger around. Sort out the atiro. So the atiro is the tip of the Taiaha. Hello from the Netherlands. Hey, cheers, Joey. Ooh, shot our modder. The bro modder. Chur and Phoenix. Okay. Wood looks sick. Ah, yeah. It's Rata, brother. It's a native. Paperwork for a new job. Nice. How come you use a ruler? Oh, it's better than buying a chisel just to use for scraping, or buying an actual scraper that costs $90 when you can get something for $10 and just scrape it. Hey, cheers, Skivets. Too, brother. My day is all good. It's raining. Nothing new with this stream, brother. Yeah. How you been, brother? Hope you're well. Equus, yeah, I know about that clip, but personally, I don't search videos of myself up. That's cringe, I reckon. But yeah, I've been told many times. Joey Gregorio, cheer, brother. Bob Ross ain't got nothing on you, brother. Bob Ross is someone I actually enjoy watching. I don't, yeah. Oh, as long as you have a good sleep, brother, that's all that matters. Oh my god, who's this? Anonymous gifter gifted 5 subs, and Nick's still subbed as well. Thank you, brother. He doesn't have to, bro. Glad to hear. Oh, king. I don't know about that title. Okay. So I'll just get the centre for this bloody thing, and then we'll look at rounding the row. Thank you, Anonymous, and Nixter, Zixter, Nixters, Chirpa. You didn't have to though. Triceratops, kia ora. I'm alright. Tēnā koe for asking. 39. Now, who's using the coronavirus QR code scanner? There's no accent, it sounds like a Kiwi. Just marking out the center. Yeah. How am I gonna do this? So many options, Whanau, so many bloody options. What's your favourite food? Probably sushi. Just want to make sure I get this on the right depth as well. Before we start cutting the wood. There you go. Kia ora, bro, hope lockdown is going well. Tēnā koe, loose and digital. Yeah, my lockdown's all good. Hopefully, if you're in Auckland, brother, hopefully your lockdown's going good too. Bit hard with everything that's going on. I think the thing I don't like about our current lockdown is all these clowns blaming the family that caught the virus. That's the part I don't like about it. I'll just go and get my chisels and then we'll carry on. Be back soon. Okay, let's put them on the side. I got me a sharpening stone too. Okay, let me just scroll back to see if I missed anything. Okay. Chur Whanau K100, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, you can just watch for free. What PC do you have? It's an Omen one. to go get a test. Oh, I mean, it's not the family's fault, eh? I think it's scaremongering what everyone's doing. There you go. There we go. Best of both worlds. Slightly round, slightly flat. You got the best of both worlds. How do you fix woodwork mistakes? We don't make woodwork mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. Good. Now what we have to do is re-add the center line. Easy. Rounding it off like a wall. Oh no, just to give it something different. Instead of keeping it flat like how do I explain this? Like it's still got the first cut in it. So you want to give it something else. Just so they know you did something to it. I mean, this guy just left it flat so you didn't have to work on anything else. It's like Master Uruguay. There are no accidents. Not from Australia. Cheers, brother. Much love to you too. Hope you're safe with what's going on. Have you ever ran into a fan? Yeah, a few. They just come say hello, we have a little talk, and they ask for a photo, and yeah. I came across one that bombarded me while I was with my family, and my baby gets scared around new people, and yeah, she didn't really like it. And I just told him, "Chur bro, come over here and then we can talk." Because my baby was ready to blow up and cry. This is my cat. Kia ora. That's the rest of it. Yeah, pretty much the majority of it will stay like smooth, gradually. Steady cuz. Do you live in Rotorua? Aye. So much bits and bobs on this device. Oh, missed. Way off. So this is going to serve as a guide for where I have to like round it. Instead of like trying to rasp it all the time, I'm just going to chisel it to save time. Lucid Digital. No, I don't even consider myself famous, brother. It's not really what matters to me. At the end of the day, fame's not going to carve my wood. That's why it's not something I care about really. I know people would love to guzzle a 1.5 Coke bottle full of fame, but yeah, not me. You cats, cheer brother for the sub. You didn't have to, we're just chilling. And Ubaron, cheer brother. Appreciate you guys subbing. Just remember, you just didn't have to. Save me a bit of time just chiseling it. I have to go to sleep, it's 5. Oh, Joey, I would go to sleep at 5 o'clock in the bloody morning too. I can't stay up long, eh? I think that's why I'll never do like 24-hour streams. I'm a man that loves to sleep, and I'm a grump if I don't get it. Like all the time. Turn into the bloody Grinch. Well, what did this acid dude say? I can't see his comment. Did you ever hit lava Baji diddle fanny? I don't think I know anyone that didn't hit lava bars, my bro. Phoebes? Jeez, I don't know how to say it, brother, but I hope that's it. Thanks for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to though, brother. At the end of the day, brother, all I want you to do is just come and watch, but make sure you look after yourself too. Lots of love, brother. Do the Māori fish. Yeah, that was our main meat resource along with birds in days of old. We didn't have cattle or the cows and the deer, and that got introduced. AWOL, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Jeez, why didn't I do it this way bloody earlier? Could have saved me a lot of time. Oh well. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is if you find it. Zitzi, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch, brother. But thank you very much. Oh, they made the fishing rigs. You mean the wakahodua? I'm not gonna lie, brother. I'm no wakahodua expert. All I can tell you is they were lashed together with the muka. Oh, so they wouldn't have had muka in Hawaii, they would have had banana leaves or something else. But yeah, that's not a realm that I'm particularly professional in. All I do is whakairo, brother. But yeah, these main double hull canoes that we have were the main boats that we use to navigate, but obviously fish on as well. Now, what I can't tell you how they were made, other than the lashing technique that they have, or that we use. But in these days we have like modern materials now. Tasty Bev, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. All good, my bro. Appreciate it though. I saw you carving a big ass trunk on your Instagram. A trunk? Oh nah, that's a wall panel, so it was all laminated timber. Lord Rompington, yeah, you can do intricate stone and bone as well. For me, myself, I probably can't tell. Because my sole focus is in wood carving. ZG Live 2. Thanks for the sub, brother. So, why am I in the carving realm? Because, well, our ancestral meeting houses are carved out of wood. And they're all over 100 plus years old. And obviously starting to show signs of weather. So for me, that's the kind of the path that I want to follow, whether it be restoration or replication. Now, don't get me wrong, I can't do an entire meeting house on my own. No one can. Unless you're like King Dingaling and you can do it all with your bloody eyes closed. Hey, Wick P. No, it's still the Taiaha, brother. Just doing the end of it, too. So the grain is changing and going back down. Oh, cheer, Dix Deuce. We only got to that number because of you guys. It wasn't me, it was all you. I can't follow myself once, so I didn't contribute to that number once. It was all you guys. I used Unga. Nah, she because we were supposed to go to Ruapihu today. She's home. We had our midwife appointment today too, brother, and we wanted her to hear baby's heartbeat. It's quite funny. She was like, "What the hell is that?" How do you get good at carving? I mean, just like you get good at anything else, keep going. It's all about the time you put in. It's like Steph Curry. He used to sink 1,000 hoops before he started training. Think of it like that. It's all about the time you put in. I mean, I'm not a Golden State fan, but you're like, Ricky, you can't, bro. Can't play because of DMCA. I would love to play some NZ reggae, but you just can't, bro. I'll get banned. The only reggae I can play is LAB, so I got permission from them through my wahine, who knows them quite well. And we usually play them like the last half hour of the stream. Time to chill with all the awesome people. Oh, nice, chef. Oh, that didn't take you long. Bro, I'd take ages on paperwork. Ages. Damn copyright. Yeah, man. I think it's getting to everyone, but at the end of the day, it's what matters. And I mean, I don't want to get banned because then I can't carve for you guys. That would be the stink one for me, not being able to share and chill with you guys. That's why you gotta unlicensed gang. Having it right now, much love from Oz. Ooh, Chase, what are you having? Surely the salmon one. I want to stream the new Tony Hawk theme, but it won't be the same without the soundtrack. Yeah, oh, true, I didn't see. Surely there'll be an exception for that, because it'll be in the game. Surely, surely, that'll be stink if we can't. ZG Lift 2. Thank you, brother, for doing that. You didn't have to, though. Much appreciated, brother. Cat Jam. Jeez, I thought I'd be sanding, but no. Picky guy. That's just how I've been for a long time, though. Oh, Bob the bald head. Thank you very much. If I can't get over that name, the bald head. Reminds me of something else, but I don't want to say it. Bob Marley song. Just checking it out now. Made it to the stream finally. Hey, welcome, brother. Just spreading the love. Hey, come in. So once I get this Aotearoa done, might just use a rough sandpaper here and then it'll get all these bloody brass marks. So I watched the video I did with Red Bull too. Nervous for you guys to see it. Whiplash Pants. Cheer my bro for that. For the sub, you didn't have to though, my brother. Appreciate it, bro. Yush is the man, the myth, the legend, hitting us with some art tonight. Just looking down this seat, making sure it's the same on both sides. Because one side had more wood than the other. Just making sure I get it. Oh. You stream well. Still trying to figure out how to use the bag for that kind of streaming. I'm not a very techno-genius man. But I can only try and have a go at it when I'm free. When Infernix is free too. You have the words hope. Oh. Okay, brother. Yeah, it's something I don't go out of my way to try claiming. Just, for me, you let the people decide. And that's just probably the way I'm gonna do it. Oh, jeez. Whew, saved. Rasp. Well, if it isn't the raid troll, who's that? Bravo, thank you very much, brother. Who's the raid troll, bro? Tidwood, I'm doing a Taiaha, brother. It's a traditional weapon for a 21st. Oh, that's right. Jeez, I think it's an honor one of your videos we haven't uploaded for a long time. I'll take that. So this side has more timber on it, so just making sure we keep an eye on it. You don't want to make it like too sharp, because if this fella's going to use it. So when's the deadline for this? Not till the end of the month, but I want to try and finish it ASAP, just so I move on to something else. Do you take the length size into account for the different people for the tire that you buy with the tire? I mean, yeah. All you have to do is just make sure it's underneath their chin. That's how you get the length for your taiaha, from the chin down. No, always a carver, brother. I've never done carpentry ever. Cheers for that question, brother. Here we go, now it's equaling up. Do you enjoy working outside, or would you like to work? Outside is refreshing sometimes. Workshop would be good too. But when the day comes that I have my own shed, so my idea for my own shed would probably to be just a little bit bigger than this. And you'd have like your grinding stuff on this side. And maybe like a bandsaw at the back. And then on this side you'd have all your power tools. And then the island, you just have your table in the middle, like a bench you can move around with had wheels on it. And then probably a door over here somewhere. We'll go out to where you store the wood, so probably just be a little section with gaps in the wall. Kind of like this fence, just so airflow can get through. And then probably a door on the other side that'll go into like, I don't know, stream room or something. And out the front you'll have a bit more extra room if you want to move your carbon outside. That's one of my goals for the future. Get you a new shed? Nah, not yet. Kaikyoku? Thanks for the sub. Jeez, I'm sorry if I said that wrong. How you doing, matey? Oh, I'm doing good. No snow for us this weekend because of Rona. We had to can the trip, which is a good day. And apparently it's shit weather this week too. Shit in my Chur JT, yeah, I think that'll be the major one for me, is probably just a store shed that will have air ventilation in it. And obviously, especially after seeing Quinn's little shack he's got, his little stream shack that he uploaded on Twitter. It was like, fuck, that man. Oh my. Okay. Cheer, brickies. Cheer, brother. Turn them over. Jeez, I hope we get through at least 2 grids today. Yeah, Otter, bro, it look mean as. I think the thing I was most impressed about Quinn's streaming shack was the landscaping. That was my favourite part about it. How much would I charge for a piece like this? So these go for around $900 to $1,200. If you want one out of a hardwood, yeah. Does carving make you want to get out of your bed in the morning? Yeah, all the time. And another fact is my little one, my little one, she wakes up at the crack of dawn. So JT, if you go on Twitter, his name's Quinn69. He's one of, I would say he's the biggest streamer here in New Zealand. That's what I would say about Quinn. But he uploaded on Twitter his streamer shack. Bro, it looks cool as too. But I think the thing I liked the most about it was his landscaping. You also work on permanent? Nah, brother. I've done it, but my heart's more on this round. Do you know Prawlin? Yeah, I don't know him personally, but yeah, I've talked to him now and again. Nice point. His garden looked amazing. Yeah, that's that was the highlight for me, was his garden. I was like, yeah, this dude knows. Imagine not thinking Broxh is the best streamer. I mean, I don't think I'm the best streamer. I just want to set a good example, like Whitebeard. Coco Crisp, thank you very much. Hey, and Slow Cooker NZ, after 3 months. Thank you, fellas. You didn't have to. Appreciate it, brothers. Silver, nah, for that reason, I don't want people to send gifts because I want them to spend their money on themselves. Maybe one day, I mean, I'll give it one go. Just can I have a PSA 10 out of 10? No. Charizard VMAX? No. Nah, I'd rather try and pull my own. Have you ever tried carving using only traditional old school tools? Lupus NZ, yeah, I have given it a go. It's bloody hard. Will I ever do it again? Maybe. Just for fun. How's the carving today? Cheers, Slow Cooker. Oh, great to play, brother. It's all good. Just doing the tip of this Taiaha. I think we might get into some sand again. Just do one scrape and then we'll sand up. It's cool. Oh, hey, bro. I'm trying to pull it as well. Is that the new pack, Silver? That's the Charizard I want to try and pull. I mean, I haven't fully gotten into it. I don't know if I ever will, but it looks like cool. I watch it on TikTok a lot. The Real Breaking Nate and what's his name? Leon Hart. I don't know if he's on TikTok, but I watch his YouTube when he pulled that Charizard Gigantamax one. And their Charizard card, they cost like how much money? And almost any other shit hands down. Oh, Captain Squizzle, I'll probably turn it down. I'll be saying, you build you a shed. Oh, true, Silver. So are those packs already out for you guys? They're not even released here yet. Well, I don't think so. I'm a Blastoise man myself, but yeah, that card is good, eh? Oh, thanks, ZG. Yes, that's what I love to do. Whether people like to watch it or not, I'll probably carry on doing it anyway. Oh, I will have a sick shed myself. Nice, brother. What would be everyone's ideal man cave? And to the sisters watching too, what would be your ideal office space? Hold on, guys. Just noticed mine thingy. Let me come by you guys and have a look. Motorbike jack, a workbench and a wall of power tools. Cabinet maker myself. True, brother. That's mean. Oh, true. How do I say that? Zabarathion. Geez, sorry if I butchered your name, brother. Okay. Let's take off these edges. They're still looking a bit square. Sorry to our flatheads out there. Just slightly, just slightly. Hold on, guys. Perfect. Do you like Disney? Yeah, but no memes. What's that for, bro? Ryan loves weed. Yeah, that's probably the shit thing about this place. People are like, you're not even from here. Yeah. I would just say if you want to come over, come over. Just ignore them. You saw tabletop. Nice, bro. What is it you're making? Kia ora, bro. So I'm making a traditional YouTube ad. Hold on, brother. Now streaming. And it plays again, damn it. How do you maintain your tools? Sharpening stone? What side did I do? That side. Yeah, we'll get our scrape on in. And then we'll start sanding like the bloody title says. See what I mean when I'm real picky? I hate leaving stuff that I can see unchecked. When did you start carving, wood carving? Ah, when I was 12, brother. Haven't stopped since. Waterstone or oilstone? Ah, both, brother. Either, whatever's accessible. But I got a waterstone. Well, I think I did. Okay, so first sandpaper we're going to use. Yeah. Only 8 followers. Oh, true, brother. Might even skip the 120. Oh, nah, we'll go through all the grids here. I'll just go and get a scissors. Actually, nah, just rip it. Okay. So starting off with 120 grip first. Did you create a beard? Nah, bro, I can't do that kind of carving. Rip hype. What's that for, bro? Hold on, let me just move this annoying thingy. Okay, let's go. I don't even need one this size, really. Just John, what are you making? I'm standing at the moment, brother. Just doing a Taiaha. Hype of ripping the paper. Oh. So normally here, so from here to there, you don't need to sand as hard because it's gonna get covered with feathers. Just a little hack. Little hack. Hello from Bolivia, mate. Hey, mate. So if you have any questions, or Broxh, what do you play? How's it, my brother? Chur Whanau? Thank you, fine, all good. I want to see him break something. Should have had an apple. Yeah, thank you, Peñas viewer. Cheers, brother. Gee, sorry if I said your name wrong, brother. Kia ora, kei te pēhia. Oh, kei te pai, brother. Kei te pēhia koe, bro. Yes, that is going to take a little while, but that's just me, that's all. Do you like the Beatles? Man, I was listening to the Beatles and I used to drive my grandfather home on the Mach 5 after a big party when I was 6. Oh, jeez, banana. I needed that Simba badge. Yeah. Cheers, banana. I think the next lot of Simbas with the main are coming up too. I think. Accepting these pretty awesome. Chef, yeah, I might do it. So the person who's coming to get it is I know him. He hasn't seen it, so he's only seen the block of wood that I got. But I just hope they bloody like it. I think that's the most scary thing about doing any kind of art, is hoping that the person receiving it likes it. I mean, I've had a few moments where people got it and they weren't happy. I was like, I can take it back if you like. Well, people like it, but they underpay me as well. That's another one. Puegalicious. Gee, hands for the top. I feel like this is enough for nothing. Get a burn it. Oh, God, this is how I've been saying them all the time. Yeah, I don't use that book, I just use my hand. Chew, JT. Oh, all good, brother. You have a good sleep. Just like when I use Broxh, if my hand is heating up, it means it's gonna look good. Kei te koe noho ana. Kei roto roe, ahau e noho ana I tēnei wā. E hūnuku atu te konei I te tau 2009, mai rua tāhinga. Engari, koe au he tai wahine I konei naine. O reira, mina hoa ki konei mo tēnei wā. Oh my god, what happened? Random! Thanks for the bits, brother, you didn't have to. Moral booze for the sub, I appreciate it. You didn't have to, guys. And Lord Herels? Yes, that's what I said there, right? So I might need to do a bit of scraping because I can see some jitterbugs. Yeah, you always get those people that never satisfied. It's like this one project I had to do. So they wanted a geyser, a lion, an eagle, 2 sharks and an anaya on one piece. And I just said, hey, that's lost. In my head, obviously, but I was like, I can't carve lions. Lions aren't part of our culture. And they go, oh well, why can't you do it? I went, because I'm a traditional Māori wood carver. Oh, find someone else then to me. All good, go about your day. And then she goes, oh. Then like a few hours later she hits me up, oh sorry I can't find any other carver. So how much was it again? Like 600 semi, it's 8 now. So hey, how come it's gone up? Because you're wasting my time. Yeah, man. And then she still wasn't happy when I finished it. I was like, oh jeez, let me just coat it in gold for you. And then I still got underpaid. Hold on, where's our jams? Oh, my back.
If you manage a team, you have to try.
You manage a team, ladies and gentlemen.
Please sit.
Damn, bro, rolling them. Hold on, I've got an itchy back. This will do. Scratch it up against the post. Then you sing the look for the bare necessities. Yeah, bro. Ripped off, but it's all good. Favorite anime? My hero. I've been rewatching Demon Slayer. Do I miss it? Blinks GG. Thanks for the sub box. You've been happy. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. So what I'll do with this as well is I'll fill maybe like a unused cup up with linseed, and I'll leave the head in there. Dip it in. Big fan, brother. Say hello. Cheers, Chiseling. Cheers, brother. Yeah, I'm really enjoying Demon Slayer. I'm trying to get into like digital art with the guidance of Thunder when I bloody start. Broxh digging the bread. Do you know Taiaha Waititi? I know of him. I don't know him personally.
So, Top thinks you give pretty good advice. And great tea.
Life happens wherever you are, whether you make it or not.
Doing another art class, bro. I'm keen. I will charge up my Apple Pencil to the peak performance, and I will be there. Hey, cheer, brother Nick. How are you, bro?
Understanding others, the other end, and the other nations will help you.
I just don't know who to draw Thunder. Someone easy. How you been, brother? How's the classic grind game? What animals do you carve most commonly? So in this art form, brother, it's mainly birds, brother. So I tell my I just hit level 52. Oh, nice. Big fat pistachio. Thank you for that, brother. You didn't have to. I just made a character on Yo Jumba too. Just a pally though. Just because I'm already playing on the horde. You ever add colour, so sometimes we paint. But for me personally, I don't. I mean, only if people ask. Hold on, there's a bit of a bump in the matrix on this weapon. What did I see? Oh, don't tell me I just lost it. Here it is, found it. Yeah, I just gotta figure out Thunder how to do the raffle thingy. I found the brown afro too. I hid it away so no one could find it. Okay, what did I do with it? There it is, behind the bag. Hold on guys, there's a bit of a bump in here that's annoying me.
Pride is not the opposite of shame, but its source. True humility is the only antidote to shame.
Tēnā koe hoa. Tēnā koe Mr. Kawhia Mafia. Along the West Coast, eh? You living in Kawhia, brother? Hold on, guys. Yeah, natural's my favourite look. That's why I try and use a stain that won't like take away from the grain that much. Because the grain's the real design of the wood, I would say. Mikai, the Titan. Thank you, brother. Welcome to the stream, my bro. Brother. Oh, true, brother. What is your favourite thing to make from Olive? Favourite thing to make? Anything really, brother. With me, pretty much the art form itself that I enjoy. Not anything in particular, like piece-wise. Ukes, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. So yeah, when I sorted out how to do this raffle thingy, or like when you redeem a point for a giveaway, thank you very much, Patel. And yeah, appreciate the bits, brother, even with you. Yeah, that's just one thing about me. I would say that the grain is probably the best design in the wood. That's why I think I prefer to use a clear briar wax or even dark ones as well, or even linseed. Banana. Oh, good brother. How are you? Does it help you carve smooth? Suzu, we don't carve this part of the Taiaha. I'm only sanding it so it looks beautiful. See that natural grain come through there. What are you making today? Still the Taiaha, brother, if you've been tuning in. Just doing the sanding now. I might actually put it in the voice. Do you ever get splinters? Nah. Like never. Why don't you stream well? Because I don't know how to use it off the stream pack bar. So my main source of streaming is this IRL stream pack that I have. That was provided by Twitch. Does sandpaper help you shape it? Nah, just if you're gonna shape something with sandpaper, damn, you're gonna be there for months, brother. Rasps and I would say angle grinders, or even a planer if you want. What's your favourite wood to work with? Any manner of native timber, though. Gonna go grab a munch and run some errands, brother. You have a minute, you enjoy the rest of your day. Diddles, you enjoy your day too, brother. Nah, mihi for dropping in. Look at that. Yeah, so instead of trying to make the edge sharp, just make it semi-blunt. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen, but oh well. Psycho Platoon, no need to, bro. You just use their paycheck on you. You're awesome, bro. That name's correct. Go pro, bro. Dude, brother, you got an hefty. How's the level 2 vibes for you as well? Chur Whanau, it's still good, brother. Yeah. Just the same as usual, just making sure you don't stand too close to people. Hey, James Rake. See you, brother. How are you, brother? Bit of a bump in the old matrix. There you go. Do you keep natural finish or do you end up staining it? Yeah, stain it, but keep the natural grain look coming through. There are carvers that keep the natural look, but I'm not the most cleanest carver ever. I'm not that good yet. Oh, we got a hydrated from Awick. Okay. Stay hydrated, whanau. Cheers. Better. Here we go. Wellington family is from Taupo, Ngāti Tū Wharetua. Hey, true brother. No lads today. At the end of the stream, like the last half hour, just sanding out to some Uncle Iro for now. Imagine playing Careless Whisper. Kidney chick. Hey yo, kidney chick. No need to give 50 man, you can use that money on you to go buy you a shopping or whatever game you play. So if you play WoW, you could possibly like get you like a free boosted 120. If you play Fortnite, some RP. Oh no, some V-Bucks, League of Legends, RP. Or you could spend it on Steam. Or you could just go and buy you food. Hello little pig boy and hippo stew and Hulk. Did someone posture check us? Let me see a hydrate.
There's nothing wrong with a life. I suggest.
What do you think about marijuana? It's a plant. If you so happen to set it on fire, well, oh, I don't really care, bro. I don't even touch that stuff. Never really interested me. What games do you play besides WoW? Ghost of Tsushima. Played a league here and there when people aren't being toxic. I've been learning how to play Yasuo. Bet this wasn't the plan for you 1 year ago. Nah, bro, it was just, you carry on carving. What are you gonna do? You're just standing now, brother. I was gonna see if I could beat Tim the Tap Man at getting a winnie. Yeah, favorite wood you work with? Any man of native timber, brother. Doesn't really matter what it is. I got a bit of experience with one in Whakatane. Super Nintendo, yeah, I've done a few. My wahine is from Whakatane. Yeah, I know, that's why I said it. Oh, Bob. Bloody hell, Bob. Cheers, Bob, for gifting subs. If you got one from Bob, please say thank you. Is this a katana? Nah, bro, this is a Taiaha. Thank you, Bob. You didn't have to, though, brother. Marks over here. First time catching the stream live. Hey, Kurohi Measuna. Cheer, brother. Welcome to the stream, my man. If you have any patoi or any questions, more than welcome to ask. Favorite character on Demon Slayer? Probably Inosuke out of the main ones, just because he's different. I mean, I don't see anyone else pull off wearing a pig mask or a bull mask as good as him. Out of the Hashiras, Rengoku and Gyome are my favorites. Just taking out the part that we scraped. I've seen a bit of rust marks in there. Nah, bro, Zenitsu. Yeah, when he's asleep. Do you have a dog? Nah, brother, sadly. You ever make a Taiaha? Spam and eggs? Here's one here. Have you read the manga? Yeah, seen most of it. And the ending's a bit different, eh? Anei tētahi, brother. Anei tētahi Taiaha. Here's a Taiaha here. Sanding the bugger. Where are you from? Aotearoa. Nice street, bro. Hey, cheers, brother. Oh. Probably move them on down soon. 3 calories. Thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. Oh, jeez. Oh. Good night, everyone. Cheer Alpha Kenny. You have a good sleep. That's what all good spam.
Sometimes life is like this dark. You can't always see the light at the end of the tunnel. But if you just keep moving, you will come to a better place.
Oh jeez. 3 calories, bro. Bro, you just got here. You didn't have to do that. Thank you, brother. Holy crap. No, I'm telling you now. Those subs there could have got you something that's more than 3 calories, brother. Holy shit, bro. Thank you. If anyone got a gifted sub, say thank you. No, there's a bit of a bump here. Just making sure we don't leave any spot untouched whānau. Yeah, 2-3 calories. You managed to keychains. Banana 404. Nah, I never worked with metal, brother. Just native timber. Kia Kari, thank you for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. What is the way to someone's heart? Through the ribcage? No. I don't know, bro. I can't answer these Dr. Phil level questions about love. Gozzy, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. And CPI Toma with the sub as well. Nah, mihi to you too. Thank you very much, guys. You didn't have to. Hey, cheers, Tim. How you been? Busy as brother, but good. Oh, that's a good one, bro. That's a good one. My boy, Bo. I see you had Tirewai last night. He was a junior when I was there, boys. Her character in my hearing are all my brother. Squeeze your butt cheeks, kid. How do I donate? You don't. There we go. Guess what, guys? We've almost finished up. Oh, who's this? Heavenly Divine. Jesus, bro, you didn't have to do that, brother. Appreciate it, bro. But once again, man, just make sure you look after yourself too. Saved a good one for our last final sweep. Ooh, there's some rust marks on the ends. I'm a billionaire. If you own Dynaco, yep, I'll believe you. Looks smooth. Oh, still a bit rough, bro. Yeah, you're getting there. Still got heaps of grits to go through. Heaps of grits. Why is it on slow mode? Because I take my time when I read. Ooh, someone's been playing with this because it's got a dent in it. And the vibes are still on. Hey, cheer, brother. Welcome back, my boy. Should hire an assistant to do the sanding for you. Oh, there's no... That's the easy way out. You finish what you start, bro, in my opinion. Don't let anyone else try sand for you, I guess. That's not the way for myself to go about it. How did you grow such a mighty beard? But you should see Fantapeds. That's a mighty beard. And young Khan as well. I just see, can't be bothered shaving it off. Oh yeah, and Tim, he's another one. And Thunder Punch. For beard advice, I would say go and ask those fellas. What do you do with all your carvings? So this one's a commission. So this has to be finished before the end of the month. For a birthday. I'm not keeping it. The two on the ground at the back are for my previous employers. Then they had the classic beard. Bounce out, thank you very much for the sub. Appreciate it, brother. You didn't have to though. can watch for free. Make any putty recently, and would you ever make a Taiaha or putty to sell? I've made putty, haven't done one recently. And this is a Taiaha that's for sale. Well, it was asked. So it's been bought, but like I haven't received anything yet, if you get me. Here to support. Thanks, brother. But just remember to look after yourself too. TTV ritual? You can just ask me. But I don't carve for anyone, but pretty much people ask for what they want and then they pay for it. Are they ever going to pick up those carvings, bro? I'm giving them a year, brother. So, when did I finish? When was our lockdown? Our first one. I've been playing for 15 years. Horde, brother. I only just started playing Alliance this year, just with the bro Panda. They don't pick them up, oh well, and store them on my future house. No. Holy cow. Not too shifty. Thank you very much for the bits. You didn't have to though. Appreciate it. Glove slip, yeah. I only put in like 2 hours. Am I special? Adorable Lotus? Well, there's only one Adorable Lotus on Twitch. There's only one person that like you. So I would say yes. What made you want to start streaming? Oh, it looked like fun. Took me a while to get on, a couple of days. Or carving anyway. Remaining warrior on Bath and Frostmourne. My warrior is on another server, but I might transfer him to Bath. I'm from somewhere else. I am somewhere else. I think the sign was there, yeah, someone. Some naughty bugger out there. See, look at that green flag. This fella's lucky, man. I wish I had this. Wish this was mine. Well, it's not too bad out here, but it might be a bit colder in Christchurch. For the horde all day, brother. Yeah, this is the process that takes long too, is sanding. So apologies if it's a bit boring, gang, for you guys. It must be done. Chur Banana, you have a good one, brother. Ooh, hot fingers. Quickly carve another one. Bro, I don't even have my own Taiaha, bro. Like, I don't even have much carvings of my own that I've kept other than that one. But yeah, I actually don't have a carving of my own. I'll just carve myself that YouTube play button and the Twitch icon for when I have a man cave. But I'll draw up a concept and show you guys what I'm going to do when I do this play button. Jeez, it's still wobbly. Have you tried Panama or stonework before? Yeah, brother. Like, I've probably done it already. Like, even weaving. Weaving's another one I've done too. How's life, brother? Yeah, all good. All good, bro. Still alive. Cardistry, thank you very much for the sub. Didn't have to. Ooh, there's a scrape there. Half a frame for your play button. Yeah, good. Well, I probably won't. I don't know. I didn't even know how you apply for those YouTube play button thingies or how you go about it. I don't even. Yeah. I wouldn't have a bloody clue. Didn't have to. Oh, I'm just not so much a catchphrase. I'm just telling people you don't have to sub, just make sure you look after your sub first. Hey, Dweebo! Oh, and Domos Danton. Yo, thanks for the raid, brother. Can we get a shout out for him, please? Oh, shit, already on it. Thank you very much, brother. And Holram, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. It's all good. Oh my, hey, Chur, brother. How are you? Welcome everyone that's come through from the Brothers Reed. Kia ora, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Māori wood carver. I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and this is what I love to do. So carving's been a big part of our culture since, well, the beginning, and it's a way for us to pass down or tell the stories of our ancestors that have long passed on now. And so in days of old we had no written form of language nor text, so the way we had to pass them down, obviously we were more of an oral culture, face to face. We did it through song and dance, and most of all through carving. Thanks, Donna. Yeah, same to you. Hope how was your stream, brother? Did you have a good one? What's up with this tyrannical fella? Sleep on the wrong side of the bed, bro. Quiver OG. Thank you very much for the sub. Once again, if you're thinking of subbing, just remember with what's going on, look after yourself first. Carving is a written form of storytelling. You're a Māori wood carver too, bro. Thanks for what you do, brother. Oh, Wolf Tamer. I'm just glad everyone enjoys it, eh? That's the main one for me. Draw comics for DC. Oh, drew comics for DC. Oh, nice, brother. Ember Moon on stream today. Yo, bit of a wrestling fan too. Ember Moon, yeah, I remember. I used to watch you. I think Roman Reigns was one of my favourites. I don't watch it anymore. Braun Strowman. He's another one of my favourites. I hear he's the champion now. Damn, there's still that mark that's right here. And a few others. Mr. Panda Bear, thank you very much for the sub. Appreciate it. Just next time you're thinking of resubbing, make sure you look after yourself first. It's late and I open tomorrow. Trying to get ahead of the car payments. Cheer, Dweebo. Cheer, brother. Big fan of wrestling here. Oh, true, brother. I'll pull it out for you, brother. So this is one of our traditional weapons we have. Just in the process of sanding it. So this is a Taiaha, brother. So this is one of the most renowned weapons we have. So it's similar to an English 3/4 staff. The difference being it's never made to be thrown. So the reason why we don't throw them because we named them after our ancestors. And you'll be left defenseless on the battlefield. But we don't use it for its old purpose anymore. It's mainly for performances. So taking a look, brother. So I'll break it down for you, bro. Oh, North Pine, North Pin. Thank you very much for the subs. You didn't have to. What's funny, Slooney? Are you one of those ones that just lols at absolutely nothing? Amazing work. Thank you, Dr. Drizzy. Oh, crap. Oh, Quiver, what are you doing? Are you trying to do an explanation? Quiver, you didn't have to. Thank you for sharing the process. Oh, good, brother. See, I'll show you up close. Just making sure I don't hit anything. So that's the tongue, brother. So in our language, the tongue is called an arero. So with designs on either side.